Check out this leaf blower extension kit. It fits most blowers. It's got some names here. I have a Harvesquana backpack blower that I'm going to try it out with. Looks like it's just kind of an adjustable thing. We're going to check it out and see what we can do. It looks backpack blowers, handheld blowers, all different kinds of blowers. It comes with one nozzle, 4 extension tubes, the gutter tube adapter, and a universal tube exactor. That's what it comes with. Looks like assembly's pretty straightforward. It's like you just twist these extension pieces together. There's a little locking nipple there that holds it in place once it's all the way connected. It's basically a plastic threaded attachment scenario. Once you get the 4 extension pieces connected, then the last one goes on the same way, and it's the curved piece that goes over the top of the gutter to blow out the leaves. Connecting looks pretty straightforward. It's got this lockdown ratchet scenario here. You just put it over the existing extension on your blower and tighten it down. The way I installed it on my backpack blower is I actually had to pull the bag portion of it around the bottom bracket of that holds the trigger onto the tube, and then ratchet it down and kind of keep it in place. Otherwise, it wouldn't hold on, and I had to remove a couple pieces off of my original tube to be able to get this on, so I could hold the tube extender and the trigger at the same time. So the part of my roof where my gutter is that's pretty high off the ground is about 12 feet. With this extension, I was able to reach up there right from the ground and be able to blow all these leaves out without having to get on a ladder, climb up on the roof, climb over the edge of the gutter, and try to get those leaves out of the gutter. This thing's awesome. For the price point, it's really easy to put together, easy to attach to your blower, and then when you're done, you can just disassemble it by taking all these pieces apart. And it's lightweight. These pieces of plastic, they're rigid enough to hold and keep up while you're blowing the leaves out of the gutter, but it's not overly heavy because the plastic isn't super thick. It's a pretty cool product.